All right, welcome to TJ Fixers. Today, we're gonna do some brakes on this nice, beautiful 04 Suzuki Savage. Probably the only Suzuki that you should ever ride. I don't know if you guys have ever tried to talk to a camera before. It's really weird, so this might come out a little weird.
We're learning, we're going.
We'll get better as this goes, I promise.
All right, what are we gonna need?
When you're working with your motorcycles, you always want a socket set, a nice assortment of T-handles, and your little wrenchy sockets.
Wrenchy ratchets.
Wrenchy ratchets. So you're gonna need yourself, 11/16. Probably work out pretty well for you.
Pop those pads out. Let's see how much is on there. How do we even get them?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Hold on. There's
Rule number one of fixing things: play with it till you figure it out. Okay? What in the hell?
oh, flip it over. See that bolt right there? We got to take that bolt out.
And that's when you get your old trusty T-handle set that's organized. Rule number one, it's important. What size do you think that is? 4?
4
or a 5?
No, it's a 5. It's a 5.
Oh, look at that, calling it out. Oh, bam. Breaking these nuts. You think that's really what we're gonna take off?
I mean, we'll find out. We'll know real quick if it's not.
I don't.
It's got to come. It's like a rod, I think.
I think you're right, because I see it in there. See, we're learning with you, okay? We're doing all this so you don't have to. Well, you're still gonna have to, but you won't have to guess. It's like the never-ending bolt.
I was about to say.
All right, I think it's... Yeah, it's not threaded anymore.
Try and pull it.
Oh,
No,
there we go.
there.
No, I see it. And there you go. See,
Nice.
You just mess with it and you find out.
So there's the pad.
Pretty.
Yep.
Pretty used.
So are these the same?
Yep.
Nice.
What are you
We're
doing?
trying to film YouTube here.
Who's got the camera?
John. Jesus Christ.
I'm already famous. I will fuck you up. Don't come in the house. Stay outside.
I think you just put them in there.
I think you're right. I'm trying to figure out what these brackets are here for, because it doesn't seem like they do anything.
The metal brackets on the bottom,
Yeah.
it like helps it slide, I think.
Okay.
I'm also not 100% sure about that.
I'm not either. Hang on. Hang on. Just hang on a darn minute. Gosh. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. So we didn't bring everything we needed, obviously. So I'm gonna go get it. I'll be right back. So we got what we need. Quick release C-clamp. If you don't have something fancy, just a regular C-clamp will do the job.
I think the regular ones are easier to use.
We're gonna find out. I was actually curious how easy this would go.
So we might have to, if that doesn't do it, we might have to open up the master cylinder or the reservoir to let the fluid like go back up.
You know what? That's what we're gonna have to do.
Is that going?
Nope.
Oh, fuck. Try that one.
What I like to do is get like a piece of wood or something flat.
Oh, you know
put
what?
over there.
Use one of the old brake pads.
Oh yeah, there you go. All right, so little J chick, a little
TJ Fixers, top tip.
TJ Fixers top tip right here. Jay's little tidbit, if you will. Use the old brake pads to get that caliper in there real nice, and then get your regular C-clamp, because those other ones are too weak for this.
Going.
You get some pressure on that bad boy. Get it. And if this doesn't work, you can always take the top off your reservoir so you can get some fluid to move through.
Take
more
that
easily.
out. Let a little pressure out.
All right. We've got a nice
Did it go back?
bent piece of bracket right here, but that's fine. It's not gonna do anything. See that right there? So we got this caliper right here going back in, or the what would you call it?
Piston?
Yeah, we got the piston. It's come back now into the caliper, so we got room to put our nice brand spanking new pads. Isn't that right, John?
Sure is.
And there goes one. And two.
Nice.
Oh, just like that. We take our little rod, put it back in here, secure these bad boys in place.
So go ahead and torque that down about 100 foot-pounds.
That's right, about 100 foot-pounds. You know, it's really a racing machine, so you want to make sure it's all to spec. Oh, back on your old disc. All we have left to do is bolt it back in, baby. Tell you what, maybe dumb, but I can thread a damn bolt. All right.
Let's test her out.
Oh, the hog. If you're looking for a starter bike that's not really that sporty and you like the cruiser feel, this is a great beginner bike. Try to feel the pressure back up.
There we go. That's how you TJ fix Savage 650 brake pads.
Like and subscribe for more stupid tutorials on how to fix things and stuff. See you next time.